Children, you remember we were last time discussing about the CBSE sample paper? I had done some grammar part with you. I don't know how many of you were present that day. How many of you were there? Okay, we were doing the sample paper that day, children. We were doing the grammar part. How many of you were present that day for the grammar part? Raise your hands. Okay, only Zeba, Atish, Sharika. Rest were not present. Chale, never mind. The exam report paper is going to be the same, entirely same beta. What we have in the sample paper. So I want you to do the comprehension part today. We'll do the comprehension part and we'll see how many marks we can score. I will not help you. Take it as an exam. If you don't know the meaning of any of the words, make guesses. In comprehension, you have to do this only. Because there nobody will come and tell you the meaning of the word. So what you will have to do over there is simply make the guesses. So here also you need to do the same thing. I'm showing you the first 3 paragraphs. Read quickly. Then I'll scroll down. Then we'll discuss the answers. And at the last, we'll check our scores. That how many marks we have got. One by one, we'll keep doing. We will not speak the answers on the group. Later, last, we'll check our answers. Start reading, beta. Start reading the first 3 paragraphs quickly. After a certain time, I will scroll down when I feel that you must have read the 3 paragraphs. Then I'll go down. You can read the next. Read. If you come across a word whose meaning you do not know, try and make guesses. Hurry up, finish soon. After 1 minute, I'll scroll down. I'm going down a little so that those who have done
Done.
can move on to the next paragraph, and those who have not done can continue reading the last part. I'll scroll it in such a way, beta. Let's see what are your scores today. Read the next part. Raise your hands once you finish reading these paragraphs also. If 4 or 5 hands are raised, I'll scroll down. Let me see how many. Only one. Three students have already done, 2 more. Then I'll scroll down. Still 3 people only. Anyways, now I'm going down because I think this is sufficient. Read the last part, then we'll start discussing the question answers. Discussing in a sense, you'll write the answers. At the end, I'll give you the correct answers. We'll see our scores. I'm showing questions also. Attempt the first two questions better.
On question 1, option C.
Do not speak the answers. You don't have to speak answers. Just write the first two answers. At the end, I'll give the answers. Do we go down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't discuss the answers. I'm going down. Question number 3 now. After a minute or so, I'll go down. Let me know when you're done with question number 3. Raise your hands. I'll move on to 4. It seems as if there are only 2 students in this class. Now attempt question number 4 and 5. Hurry up. Once you're done with 4 and 5, raise your hands. Same 2 hands, huh? Anyways, let's go down. Question number 6 and 7. Beta 6, 7, 8, all 3 are visible now. So do 6, 7, 8. Keep writing the answer somewhere so that at the end you can check yourself. After you finish, beta. Okay. Just 1 more minute. Okay, let me go down because we need to check the answers also in this class itself. We know where we stand. 6th and 7th we've already done. Now I'm showing you the 8th, 9th and 10th. 10th will not be possible together. So see 8th and 9th now. If you want me to scroll up to see something in the passage, let me know. I'll do it. Should I show the next ones, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you want some time?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking others. What about others? Are they there or all disappeared?
Ma'am, we are there.
Okay, you are there. Very good. So we'll be checking our scores also very quickly after this. After 9, we have got the last questions. See the 10th and the 11th. See, there will be a choice in boards also. 12 questions will come. You have to do any 10. So I want you to attempt these 12 and then cut any 2 which you're not confident. And then check your scores. First we'll do all 12, then you cut any 2 जिसका आपको लग रहा है कि answers are not correct. Do the 10th and 11th. After this, I'll show you the last one. Then cut any 2. Then we'll see our scores. Okay, should I show the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the last one and then we'll start checking.
I'm done.
Only 1 minute to others. Two students have already done. Hurry up, others. Hurry up, hurry up. Last 30 seconds, I'll discuss the answers now. Okay, let's start. I'm showing the questions. Let's discuss the answers. Check honestly. What is the first answer according to you people?
And third one.
Please
C.
give option.
Ma'am, third one. C.
It is not third.
And
Give
C.
option as A, B, C, D.
Option C.
Option C.
It is wrong. The first answer is A. So nobody gets a point. Second one. Second answer according to you in A, B, C, D is
Ma'am, D. Fourth. D, D,
yes.
D.
D. Very good. D,
Yes,
option
ma'am.
4 is the correct answer. Others did not speak only. Okay, the third one.
D.
Ma'am, this I left,
Option
ma'am,
D.
among the 12.
Ma'am, C.
Third one is C.
Ma'am, D.
No, third is C, beta. D is wrong. C is the correct answer. Come to question number 4. What is the answer? Out of A, B, C, D, fourth one, which is correct?
B.
Ma'am,
Others
D.
also. Huh?
C.
One is saying B, one is saying C, the other is saying D. Anybody else?
Ma'am, C, 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 C.
C, ma'am. C.
Yes.
C.
is the- Yes, the C is the correct answer. Those who said D, it is wrong. C is the correct answer. Come to the fifth one.
Ma'am, A.
Others give your answer.
Ma'am,
A.
A.
A, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
Hmm?
A.
Yes, it is C. A is wrong. C is the correct answer. Now let's do the sixth one. Yes. In the sixth one, tell me official admits. Yeah, tell me this in the long run.
Ma'am, D.
Hmm?
Ma'am, D.
Out of these, which one is correct?
Yes, ma'am. D.
Ma'am,
Yes.
D.
D is the correct answer. Come to the seventh one. A, B, C, D. Which is correct?
D.
Hmm? Tell me, seventh,
Ma'am,
what have
D.
D.
Ma'am, 7 or 6?
seventh we are asking, no? Sixth we have already done. Sixth
Okay,
answer
okay.
was D, we already done. Now seventh one.
Ma'am, D.
D only.
Any other answers other than D? Beta, this is correct. D is the correct answer. 7th. Now 8th one.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am,
again.
D. D again.
Different answers are coming. A, C, D. Nobody else is speaking. What happened? Yes, D is the correct answer again. Very good. 9th one now.
Ma'am, B.
Hmm?
B.
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 Ma'am, D.
B or D?
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am D.
Somebody is saying B, somebody is saying D. Any other answers?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So, how many of you say it is B?
Me.
Hmm. We are
No,
doing which
Rupen.
one? 8th one, no? 8th answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
D. It is D. Stress. Tell me the answer
No,
to the 9th one.
No,
Ninth
ma'am.
one.
Ninth one I was
We
saying.
were talking about the ninth one.
But I was asking about the 8th one, no?
Ma'am, eighth
Ma'am,
one is
eighth
D.
one I told D. It's D, and you told it's the right answer.
Okay, 9th one we are doing. The 9th one, the answer is B. To organize our
Yes, ma'am.
lives. That's the correct answer. Now the 10th one.
Ma'am, please
Show the
scroll up the
question.
screen.
Option 3.
10th one.
Ma'am, C option.
Ma'am, B.
No, beta, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
C.
B.
Is correct. It is C, not B. C is the correct answer. Now 11th one.
Ma'am, C.
C.
B, ma'am.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C.
Yes, C is the correct answer. The last one.
D.
Ma'am, D.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am,
others?
it's D. Ma'am, D.
Yes, it is D. Yes, it is D. Now you
7 out of 10.
only one child told me 7 out of 10. Others tell your
9.
scores.
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am, 8 out
Ma'am,
of 10.
7.
Ma'am, 9.
9, 8, 7. Okay. So, are you satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Satisfied?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Beta, you're
We
going for
need
your
to
board
practice.
examination. Yes, you need to practice. Comprehension, nobody practices. Nobody has the time to practice. Only when you sit and do such kind of questions, you will find that they are so tricky at times. This is the sample paper
Yes,
issued
ma'am.
by CBSE. At least do these sample papers so that you're confident. You know what type of questions will be coming in the exams. Same type of paper you will have in your pre-boards also. See, this is an entirely different kind of a comprehension. See, second one. Though we don't have time for this, but I'm just showing you this it is. Okay, see the writing section. Read the writing section very quickly. Exactly same type of questions will come in your exams for the pre-boards. I'm showing you the writing section. This I've already done with you, the grammar part. Now see this. Read the writing section. Read the first question of writing section.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
I hope you've understood which type of questions will come in question number 1. This will be a 5 marks
Yes.
question. Okay, beta. And now see this. A chart will be given to you like this only in the exams also. See. And then you'll have to read the chart and then write an analytical paragraph on this. You have to just observe the chart, see the question. Chart depicts the data of the number of digital devices purchased in Rishu Nagar in 2015-19. Write a paragraph analyzing the data. I'll also give some graph of this kind and you'll have to write a paragraph analyzing the data. Just see this graph carefully. Tell me one or two statements after reading this graph. Analyze means what you understand from this graph. Anything that you understand, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, it's telling about the sales of smartphones and computers in a particular
So this,
year.
so they have mentioned this. So they have mentioned that they are telling this. What they are telling after reading the graph.
Ma'am, like
Ma'am,
in
they are
2015, the devices purchased were much less as compared to the year 2019.
Okay, is right. The first
Ma'am,
observation
the
is correct.
yes, ma'am,
Then
the number of smartphone sales in the year are more than the computer sales. Only in 2017 it is more.
okay. Only in 2017 it is more that computers were sold more. All other years smartphones were sold more. What else can you understand? Good.
Ma'am, there was a regret in the market in 2018 then as compared to 2017.
Very good. There was a depression in the market